are assembling the Motor Trend's Disney Princess 6-volt electric car. We've already put on the other 3 tires. You put on the front 2 first, and then you put on the rear. They give you this wrench here, and all you do is you remove the nut. It stays in the washer. You remove the it stays in the wrench. You remove the washer. It has the directions of rear or front tire. You put the tire on. Replace the washer. Replace the nut. And then you install the tire cap. It has these little grooves that fit in to the wheel.